To make this world a better world, I first believe that I must teach the things that I have learned and tell people that we share this planet with other living beings, like animals and plants, and we must recognize and respect them as siblings, sons of the same universe. In ecology, I learned that resources are not to be wasted, but we can use them with conscience, and that our ambition and wanting to have more and more material things is the principal cause of damage to nature. Then I want to carry the message that we don't need many material things to be happy, and the really important thing to be happy is sharing with family and friends. Also, with ecology, I can contribute to the rural zones, helping farmers with scientific and social efforts, improving agriculture and making it in harmony with conservation. With the veterinary medicine, I want to help the less favored animals, especially the animals that live in rural zones that never go to the vet. And I want to help their pain and provide them with more wellness. I think that if we treat animals well, we learn to treat ourselves well, and in this way we can build a better society and a better world. Then I enjoy the humanity to share more and enjoy more, and also recognize and respect all living beings because all are siblings. Thanks.